Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maite. I'm back with another wig review. I got this wig from Aliexpress and I paid $63.47 from it. It was originally $66.47, but I did have a coupon, which was $1, and I also contacted the seller and asked him, and you can always contact the seller and ask for additional discount, and he took off $2. So originally he took off $3 off my total, which brought it to $63.47 instead of $66.47. So some savings there. The company of this hair is called, what is it called? Ali Hair Factory Store. It has 97.9% positive feedback, and the wig came like this. I believe I got this in 22 inches in a body wave. So it comes like this. It came with this wig net that I'm never going to use, but thank you for sending it. It came in this bag. Okay. And this is a body wave, guys. Excuse me, I'm just gonna grab my brush. This is a body wave. Okay, so we're gonna get into some details about the wig. This unit is a 13x4. It has 2 clips on the side, one in the middle, one in the back. That is broken. I'm just gonna have to sew it on. That's a red flag. It comes with 2 adjustable straps in the back. So I am going to put her on straps. Okay. So I have the straps on. I'm gonna put her on my head. Oh, this is snug. Ooh. This is kind of tight. So if you have a big head, it is going to be snug on you. I did put the straps to the maximum tightness that you could. Definitely when I'm done, I'm definitely going to like loosen this because it's giving me a headache right now. But I mean, this looks good. Wow. It is a body wave. It is 20 inches. So I am going to stand up. So it is pretty long. It's almost at my butt. This is 22 inches. Did I say 13x4 frontal unit? I am going to scoot up, and I'm also going to zoom in to show you how the hairline looks. So it definitely has that sumo wrestler line. What is this? Are these tracks? Let me see. No. Oh, wow. The hairline is just really thick. The hair is soft. The ends are dry, but I mean, I can't complain because the price is so cheap. You're not gonna find this anywhere. The ends are really dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna soak this in some silicone mix or some conditioner overnight. But the hair, just the ends are dry. And that also because, you know, when you get your hair, they process it, so it has that pretty wave. So it still has some type of chemical on it. Once you wash it off, I'm really going to see how the hair is. But it's soft. Like I said, the ends are dry. Nothing's snagging quite yet. So I get some shedding, nothing major, but it does. This unit definitely does shed. But I like this unit so far. I think it has baby hair. Yeah, it does. Again, like the other unit I reviewed, you have to definitely customize this unit. You definitely have to pluck it and do all that stuff. But I love the fact that you guys know I'm probably gonna guess this is medium Swiss. Now for some reason, I don't know if it's because maybe it's because the wig cap. Like it feels really thick right here in dents. And I don't know, is that because I haven't put a hot comb or nothing to it? Maybe because it's like, it feels bulky, but it doesn't look bulky, if that makes sense. Like literally at the hairline, it feels bulky. So you definitely have to go in and pluck and customize your hairline. But besides that, you're pretty much good. Like I said, the ends are dry, but like I said, you can't complain because the price is good. Definitely excited to wear this unit. Definitely put in a ponytail. It's really pretty. Like I said, it has that sumo wrestler line, but once you go in and customize and plug it, you're good. So far I give this hair 7 out of 10, just because the ends are dry. Yeah, the ends are dry. But besides that, and like I said, you can't complain. Like I bought a bob from Amazon and it was like $60 something, but for me to get this in 22 inches and pay the same price is a steal. And it is human hair. It this definitely is human hair. Like I said, I am a licensed hairstylist. I've been doing hair for 13 years now. I'm not gonna tell my age, but I've been doing hair for a while. So you're definitely getting, like, when I tell you I know hair, guys, I know hair in and out. So far this is actually a pretty good unit. Like I said, it could definitely use some deep conditioner, definitely use a treatment. And even a lot of people don't know, yes, you could put treatment on your human hair wigs, you know, you could. And I am gonna follow up with that, but so far I do like the hair. And I didn't check the density on this unit. Give me 1 second, I can let you guys know what the density is. Item description. It is 130% density, between 150 to 300 grams. It is Brazilian hair. So, like I said, sorry guys, I was sticking up my nose. I really don't care. It's itchy. I'm just being real. And this is it, guys. This is my review on the AliExpress unit. Stay tuned for more wig reviews. I got a whole bunch of them coming. Bye, guys.